everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic, PCEX Exchange. It's promoted as a cryptocurrency trading platform, but with so many red flags online, is it legit or just another scam? Let's get into the deals. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research from publicly available sources. PCEX Exchange claims to offer crypto trading experiences or services and investment opportunities, but a deeper look at user feedback and online forums tell a different story. On Trustpilot, PCEX Exchange has some harsh criticisms. Users report being unstable or unable to withdraw their funds, poor customer support, and feeling ignored after making payments. One user said this is a huge scam, do not trust them. Another shared that the platform was unresponsive and only took their money. Reddit threads reveal even more concerns. There's no solid information about PCEX on their website. It looks like a generic template with no real company background. People mention how some small withdrawals were made initially just to build trust, but later, larger withdrawals failed. Users warn that there are no real trades happening and that it's not a genuine company, with promises of unrealistic returns used to lure victims. Based on the research and user experiences, PCEX Exchange shows many classic signs of a scam: lack of transparency, poor support, withdrawal issues, and no proof of legitimate trading. My advice: avoid PCEX Exchange and stick to reputable, regulated crypto platforms. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.